friends, this is Jill, the owner of Simply Organized, your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert. As you're decluttering, downsizing your house, you will probably come across gifts that you've received. They may be hidden, they may be packed away up on the highest shelf in your house, but those gifts, what do you do with them? They're really hard to let go, aren't they? Because of the fear, because of the guilt, especially of letting them go. What if that person comes over, or what if that person asks about those gifts or looks for those gifts when they're in your house? What do you do then? So I would like to encourage you to think of it in a different way. And I read some really good advice in a current book that I'm reading called Goodbye Things. Goodbye Things. I rented it from my library, this book. Lots of tips about decluttering. But the author said, if you can't remember how many gifts you've given, don't worry about the gifts you've gotten. Isn't that good advice? If you can't remember how many presents you've been given, don't worry about the gifts you've gotten. Excellent advice. Maybe this will help you let go of things that you have received as gifts from friends, loved ones. Their expression of love, first and foremost. But if they don't suit you, let them go, pass them on to a charity, bless someone else with them. You'll probably make someone's day that's shopping at this charity and they see this gift that you don't have a use for, but it's really suitable to them. Keep that in mind and let it go. Now, if you'd like to receive more motivational messages, sign up in the description below for my monthly motivational email. And you'll receive a free 7-day challenge if you sign up also. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.